Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today we have a friend, Mr. Cherag Patel, who is going to demonstrate to us on how to apply boiled linseed oil, turning his mahogany wood slab into an amazing piece of contemporary design coffee table. How he does it and what his secret formula. Please enjoy and watch the video.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm going to demonstrate boiled linseed oil mixed with some gum spirit turpentine. Well, here goes. About 60-40, I think. The reason for the gum spirit turpentine is so that it dries a lot faster. Here is a mahogany slab that I have basically milled, sanded, and yeah, it's upside down right now. And this is not very pretty, this side. I didn't do a lot of sanding, it's because it's upside down. So let's start with the bottom and then we will have a look at what we have on top. Alright, now for the top. This one is going to be really beautiful. Very easy. I'm sure apply a little bit more and then in about 10 minutes just wipe it dry. Apply the second coat in a few hours. You have to repeat this process maybe 4 times. Look at that, how beautiful is that? If you use pure gum spirit, pure boiled linseed oil, it takes a long time to dry. Probably almost a day, 24 hours. But if you mix it with gum spirit turpentine, it dries in about 2 hours. Between the layers you should sand it maybe 400 grit and above. You can almost see it's dries quite fast. Alright then, I hope you like this video. We come back about an hour later. I have 800 grit sandpaper over here. Lightly going to be sanding this down. It's not necessary, but alright, let's put on another coat. So Looks absolutely beautiful. Should put on about at least 4 coats. First layer is, when you are applying it, you can see it's a little bit wet, but after 10 minutes, just pat it lightly with a dry cloth. It's really simple. But linseed oil has waterproofing capabilities. It will protect your wood quite well. Plus it's natural. I don't know if you can see it, but this portion dries faster than the inside. Absorbs pretty well. Do at least 4 to 5 coats. It's not very gloss. I'll come back with a video when I've applied 4 coats to show you guys. Hello and good morning. So we have already done 2 layers on this table, and I'm going to sand it down with 800 grit sandpaper. Just very lightly. Alright, another layer of boiled linseed oil. We'll come back in a couple of hours. Alright guys, this is after 6 layers of boiled linseed oil. It's a little bit dark in color, and It feels like a layer of polyurethane on it, and very smooth, suitable to be kept inside the house. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you very much.
Whoa! Look at Cherag's coffee table. Amazing finishing. Does it trigger you to do it yourself at home? Bringing back the natural beauty of your furniture and antique. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye for now.